What it is like being a person with a history of falling as of 27 February 2025. Could I improve? Another could I improved. So I've been forgetful and I've been falling. So let me actually talk about that. So I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle, and reflect on being a person with a history of falling as of the day I filmed this video, Thursday, 27 February 2025. I summarize 4 occasions in which I have fallen that garnered attention from my community. So here we go. 1. I fainted and slid to the ground onto a concrete floor in 2009 in front of my swim team when I was a team captain in high school. Me and 2 of the other captains were giving an announcement, and I fainted and slid to the concrete, and my coach actually ran over to me like she was going to give me CPR. Yes, when I came to. So that's 1. Fainting and falling, but it was like a graceful fall. 2, I was running on grass and I tripped and I fell and knocked a sliding glass door off its track in 2012 in front of my friends. Yes, I was living in Port Elizabeth, South Africa at the time. And I was like, I didn't even trip on there was a brick kind of walkway, and I was on the grass part, and I was like, I tripped on the grass. I didn't even trip on the brick, you know? It's like, I've said before I'm clumsy, and that was one of those clumsy moments. 3, I fell backwards in 2014 and hit my head on a tile floor. That one came with long-term memory loss, memory loss type of amnesia. So that one ties into the being forgetful thing. And then 4, this is more of the socioeconomic fall. So I quit with no degree in 2019 after over 4 years of graduate school with multiple peer-reviewed journal articles published. Yes. So maybe I don't want to fall anymore. Maybe I want to change. Maybe I need to be a person who does not fall anymore for survival purposes. I do not want to spend my whole life getting hurt, physically or otherwise. Okay, so improving this for me may entail intentional coordination improvement and or intentional balance improvement. My return to road running in August 2023 has corresponded to a reduction in clumsy behavior by me. Yes. And specifically, I no longer train with music, and things are like night and day different, but not night and day different because I didn't actually fall or trip and stuff when road running. However, my sense of balance is much improved without music. So, but I continue moving forward, and if I do see a rise in socioeconomic class, I don't want to fall there either. So applying what I've learned through my running there as well. Is the key to me recovering / healing me making these YouTube videos? Not so sure about that for this one, for the falling. My coordination has greatly improved with my road running, my return to road running in August 2023. And so you can think of it as coordinating what I'm doing there with what I'm doing on my channel. So in that sense, but not necessarily. And then what does having a history like this mean? While other people can hurt me, I can and have hurt myself, even if just being clumsy. And this is one I am making a video, and I think is a little bit of, I might put in on my publishing experience, because socioeconomic fault, right, I did bring in multiple peer-reviewed journal articles, but there's other forms of publication, like an abstract and then presenting at a conference, and it's this is one that I would prefer not to fall while giving a talk or in a poster session or something like that, but that, I imagine that's actually possible. So there we go. What is it like? What it is like being a person with a history of falling as of 27 February 2025. Could I improve?